Need to assign people to different projects without repeating any names in Excel? What if I told you, with just one formula, your drop-down list can automatically shrink every time you make a selection? No VBA, no complex setup. Just smart Excel magic using FILTER and COUNTIF. Okay, let's dive in. Here's our scenario. In column A, we've listed 10 projects, project 1 to project 10. And in column D, we have 10 team members, like John, Sarah, Mike, Emma, and more. Now the trick begins. In column E, we'll create a live list that automatically hides any names already assigned. First, click on cell E2. This is where we'll build our dynamic list of available people. Now type an equals sign that tells Excel you're entering a formula. Then type filter. And when Excel suggests it, press Tab to autocomplete. Now Excel asks, what do you want to filter? That's your full list of people. So click and drag from cell D2 to D11. Next, type a comma to move to the condition where the real magic happens. Now type COUNTIF. So the full formula looks like this. What this does is, Excel checks each name in column D and asks, has this name already been used in column B? If not, it shows the name. If yes, it skips it. Now, to help you understand this even better, here's a trick. Just copy the COUNTIF part of the formula. Paste that directly into cell C2. And press Enter. See what happens? Excel now shows how many times each name appears in the assigned person column. 0 means they haven't been selected yet, which is exactly what we want for our drop-down list. So in simple terms, this filter formula hides any name that's already been picked and only shows the names still available. Now that we have the dynamic list working in column E, it's time to build the drop-down. Select cells B2 to B11. That's where you'll assign team members to each project. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Choose List. And for the source, type equals. Select the cell E2 and add a hash. The hashtag symbol makes sure Excel includes all the spilled values from E2. Now here's a quick pro tip. When setting up your dropdown, don't select E2 to E11. Instead, type the spill range. It tells Excel to grab the exact list coming from the formula in E2, no more, no less. So your dropdown always stays clean, accurate, and updates automatically. Hit OK. And your dropdown is ready. Let's test it out. I'll assign John to project 1. And boom, he's instantly gone from the list for project 2. Assign Sarah to project 2. And she's removed as well. Each time you assign someone, the list automatically shrinks. No repeats, no mistakes. And that's it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Easy Click Learning, and share it with your Excel-savvy friends. More smart Excel tricks are coming soon. Thanks for watching.